What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. We just got done redoing the whole suspension on my car. I have to say, it took forever, but it's done. I can't complain now. It's finished, and you know, it's pretty low. I ain't gonna lie. It's super slammed. It's super dirty. This car has been sitting for a while, but we have everything finished. The only complaint is I feel like the rear is a little bit too low because I have actually been scraping. Ooh. I just think the rear needs to be a little bit more higher and we should be good because the front doesn't scrape at all, but the rear keeps scraping and scraping. So, you know, just a little bit of adjustments here and there and we should be good. So I'm gonna adjust that right now. As you guys can see, we have the lovely function and forms type 1s. Now I gotta adjust them. But the new suspension, the car drives so much better. I've drove it, you know, a few times, and now I'm making adjustments. Alright guys, I just raised it up. I'm about to lower down the car, put down the tire. I'm gonna see if it's the stance I want. Oh, I don't know how I'm feeling about this. Hopefully it's how I want it, because damn, we scraping. Moment of truth. Yeah, that's perfect. That's actually pretty perfect. That's exactly how I wanted it. Yeah, we got it through. Don't worry about those boxes, cause yeah, that's for another surprise. But yeah, it looks good. I mean, it's better than before. Hopefully I don't scrape as much, but hey, there we go. But that's gonna do it for right now. I'm actually gonna take a break, eat something, and then I'm gonna come out later to wash the car and do some more major things to it. Other than that, guys, I'll see you guys in a bit. What is up, you guys? Welcome back. You know, it's a little bit more later on in the day. The temperature is not as high and I can finally wash my car. Also, something I should mention is I'm trying to get rid of this, trying to get rid of the sunroof, and I'm just trying to wash it because it's pretty dirty. Yeah, I mean, I think I should change the look of it. We also got to take care of that side mirror right there. That paint chipping, ooh, We have a few spray paint from us painting a bunch of shenanigans, and I even have freaking sandpaper, so that shouldn't be a problem. But the thing is, do I have enough time to do this? I should be able to. I mean, Marco is coming through and he's gonna give me a hand, but washing it I can do it by myself. I just picked up a foam brush. It's brand new, should be pretty easy to use. I mean, we have the stick, so I'm gonna use this because I don't have microfiber towels. Oh wait, I do actually. I have a bag full of them. I guess we'll use them to dry the car. Actually, before I wash the car, I should probably remove the sunroof visor that I don't want anymore, and I should probably start removing them stickers and then wash it because I'm being a little coconut head right now. Alright guys, well, we just got done removing the whole entire sticker bombs. How was it? A lot of work?
I don't know. I came when you're almost halfway.
Yeah, I took almost all the stickers. He came when there was barely none.
Like 5.
All he did was remove the residue left on him. But now we gotta clean the car.
You ready? Are you gonna spray paint this?
Yeah, I'm gonna spray paint that too. That thing looks awful. Just fix little major things here that make the car look gross. Hopefully, by doing so, we'll improve the looks on it.
Hopefully.
Alright guys, we just got done washing the car and drying it, and I gotta say, it looks pretty clean, doesn't it?
It looks hella clean.
Dude, that thing looks clean.
Oh, maybe it's because it was dirty for like a good 3 months.
Yeah.
And we got used to seeing it like that.
We got used to seeing it dirty, right? Wow, this is exactly what it needed. A car wash.
Hey, look at this bug. He's trying to make it shitting in you.
Now we gotta deal with this though.
Are you spray painting it today?
Yeah. That's how I washed it, so I could have a good finish. Good?
Yeah, we can see it pretty good. You look happy as shit. Alright, guys. It is right now like 5 something in the morning.
Yeah, that's boy.
We're getting ready to paint the side fender as Juan promised.
Yeah, we're not gonna paint this.
Today, right?
No.
We noticed that yeah, we don't got the time because I have to go to my girl's house.
And I had to sleep.
And Juan, do you work tomorrow?
No, but I had to edit this video.
Oh well, yeah, I like that. Well, guys, if you're wondering what this, do we gotta? Oh, never mind. I moved the light.
Basically, we're gonna be painting the fender. We're using gloss. Dude, this is fucking shiny. Alright, I think you're pointing at the fender.
I'm pretty sure now.
Yeah. Alright, well, let's get to it. Oh, shit.
You better mess up already.
I already regret doing this.
Se va a notar, ¿verdad?
Yeah.
I say just leave it like that.
We got a zebra.
That's what I was thinking.
A few moments later.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Welcome back, guys. We just got finished, and it looks extremely nice. It looks fucking dope. It really does.
It looks good, but I'm really wanting to see it daylight.
I think you'll be able to tell that we painted it just because it's so shiny. But we're gonna hit it with some clear coat, and I think it should, I don't know, fix itself.
You think so? When you gonna hit it clear coat? Tomorrow?
Yeah, it's late.
You think it's gonna do its job still?
Look. What do you think? Dude, that thing came out fresh.
Look at that shyness.
I should paint my whole car.
I don't know about that one. Y te estás pasando ya.
Yeah, I'm kind of crossing the line, but for you know, for something this small,
I mean, if you think about it, Juan, we can paint your whole car.
No, you got
We can paint your whole car, Juan.
No, we're not painting my whole
You got the magic cans. This shit will come out perfect.
No.
All right. Well, guys,
Let us know how you think it came out.
you're gonna have to show them tomorrow.
Yeah, honestly. But
Because I mean, right here looks, glossy.
yeah, but if you notice, it was white before, so I know they get the idea that they actually did paint it.
That's true. It's not white no more. For all y'all low life people that have y'all's cars low to the ground, y'all know the struggle that I'm about to show y'all. And Juan, what do you think about this struggle?
I don't know what the fuck. I think it's just this driveway. I mean, we've always had problems with this driveway particularly. But, because look, guys, I raised it. And I don't want to raise it up enough. Like, I don't want to raise it all the way up because that would be kind of pointless. I mean, we got coilovers to, be nice and low. But it's just this driveway in general. I fucking hate it. It scrapes no matter what.
Even with the wood?
Yeah, no, not with the wood. I mean, the wood helps it, but it's better than before actually, because back then it would scrape extremely bad.
I mean, you can.
you can clearly see.
Ouch.
You know what? Tomorrow, if I have the chance, I'm gonna start scraping like concrete off, so I can
What?
have like a nice.
Okay.
I don't know about that
I
though.
think they'll kick you out.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna.
But I like how low you are, Juan.
Yeah, I like how low I am too. That's what I'm saying. I'm like, I don't think I'm ever gonna go any more higher. I just need an alignment.
That is true. And Juan still be driving it without the alignment. Dude. Well, let's see this in action. I haven't even seen it since you lowered it. Like how like bad it is. One, I can't wait for you to see this video so you can see how like your front lip just like se puchó adentro.
Yeah,
It look really bad.
yeah, that's what I'm telling you, man. But it's just this driveway. Like, I don't have any other problems that like out in the road or out in the street. It's literally when I get home. It's like I don't even. It's like the car doesn't even want to be home anymore. It just wants to be. It just wants to be driven. All right then, guys. Well, that's gonna do it for today. We got the car clean. We got the car back on the road, and we spray painted a fender. You know.
Yeah, we did stuff. I'm glad we cleaned your car though, honestly.
Nah, I'm glad the car's driving. But yeah. I'm glad that we cleaned the car because it was freaking dirty, man. You like the process so far?
I like the upgrades you're doing to it. Hold on. Alright, yeah, I like the upgrades you're doing to it.
Well, guys, that's gonna do it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give us a big thumbs up, and consider subscribing.
And stay tuned for our shenanigans. Hopefully we start doing like lots of more stuff to our cars.
Oh, we got some for
hopefully,
them.
yeah.
No, it's already done. We got something for you guys. Stay tuned.
Yes, that's true. Yeah, stay tuned. I forgot what Juan had. He just showed me. Guys, y'all be surprised.
Yeah, y'all guys stay tuned. I can't even talk. Stay tuned. We'll see you guys on the next one.